guys. Wow. It's a very beautiful place, man. Jamaica land we love. Yes, and you see over there, guys, see cloud and everything start to get together. So it means we're gonna get a lot of rain. Yes, rain is coming, guys. Because it's rain season here, 2025. Yes, we're having rain season here in Jamaica. Oh, what you say? Yeah.
I think I just the car alone. Okay. Yeah, peel up the breadfruit, you know. So you put red peas in it or just?
Red peas in it already and pumpkin in it.
Oh, you put red peas and pumpkin in there?
Yeah. That is very nice. Yes, ma'am. No.
When you finish with it later on at the soup of the town?
What?
Yeah? Okay. Wow.
Yes, guys, so this is called breadfruit here in Jamaica, you know, so, and this is the boiling breadfruit, guys. So you have the roasting one and you have the boiling one. Yes, and my elderly is boiling. This is the boiling one, guys. The boiling one.
So we can how far from us to Anchorage? About 10 minutes?
About 1 mile.
1 mile.
You can't go to that one.
Yes, man. Yes, big man. So you're selling corn here, yeah?
Yes.
Good, man.
Yes, man.
Can you thunder roll out there, man, you know? Yes, man. I see $200 for one of them, yeah?
Yes.
All right. So yes, man. So you know, guys, man. So when you come here, right over that side.
Yeah. Welcome to Rantan.
Yes, man. So Rantan, man. The name of this place is Rantan. So you come here and see the corn, man. You know, I've got my elderly guy here selling the whole proper old school, man. Yes, man. Proper big man, you know. Yes, man. Yes. And this is my corn. I just buy off the corn man, guys. You know. So remember to come here, guys. Please come to this guy and buy corn off him, man. He's a very down-to-earth person. One elderly selling corn, guys. Please come here in St. James on this road and buy off this man, guys, you know. All the link will be down in the description, guys. So keep enjoying this video.
Oh, Windsor Castle?
Yeah.
Oh, we have a Windsor Castle here. We have one in St. Thomas too. Yes, Windsor Castle.
Oh, they have a river around there?
Yes.
Nice river.
Yeah, man.
Some trees.
29 steps, you don't wear water there.
What?
29 steps.
Yeah.
You wear water there. When you get the water, it's coming up back.
29 steps?
Yes.
How far? It's far from here, sir?
Yeah, man, I go to the drive.
Oh, good job. I feel like I go up there and do a video there, yes?
Wow. I must visit you one day.
Yeah, man, you can't come around one day and make you a good man.
You will come here, go there?
What do you mean?
Really?
Yeah.
Return truck. Return truck. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really a good price, you know, so come here to Marrakesh, guys. The Square Market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in it. Look at that. Oh, I think he must have rocked discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at the video, is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But you know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.